In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the blank canvas journal template 1. I've also included this sticker sheet, and we're going to be using this free font called Read Write from Creative Fabrica. Let me show you the package. This is everything that's included in the package once you purchase it. Here's the sticker sheet if you want to print it, and of course here's all the stickers. I have some extra splats here too. That's what we're going to use today. One of the reasons I like to use PowerPoint is that I can insert all kinds of cool stuff. I'm going to put a text here. I'm going to call this journal page My Summer Fun Journal Day 1. Let's fix the font. We're using Read Write, the free font. I want to make it a little bit bigger, and that's really easy to do. Just change the font size. I want it centered. I'm going to move these to both sides and then, of course, center it. Now, let's put some stickers in here. I'm not very good at this part. I can make all the stickers and all the templates, but putting them together for me is kind of hard. Let's just put some hearts in there. We'll put this heart in there. Now that you see how to put in stickers, let me show you something really cool. First, we're going to go to View, Master Slide, and the first one that pops up is the one that we're working on. You're going to see I have a whole bunch more in here. Let me show you the reason why. I'm going to put in my background. We need to resize it. Now that's great, but I can't see the template. Here we go. Right-click, send to back, and there you go. Look, the template pops up. What's that going to look like? Well, we're going to close the master view, and here we are. That's like magic, isn't it? Yep, that's the best thing about my templates. The front is great, but the background is what creates the magic. You're probably wondering, let me go to View, Master Slide, why I have a whole bunch of these. And you can make more. Let me show you how to make more. Right-click, duplicate layout. The reason to have a whole bunch of these is I like this layout. I want to keep it, but I also have another idea. Let's bring in a couple splotches. Now what we're going to do is we're going to right-click. This time we're going to bring to front. And look at that. Let's see what that looks like. And we pick it, and cool. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy everything here and then paste. So you get kind of an idea of what this would look like. Let me show you another one. View, Master Slide. We're going to go to the next one. I'm going to put this background in the file too for you. Right-click, send to back. Ooh, now let's see what it looks like. New slide, and let's put it in there. Cool. Let's return to this one. I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to move this out of the way. Maybe we want to see more of these bats. I'm going to shrink this up. Put it here, right-click, copy, right-click, paste. Now this is not meant to be seamless, so it's not going to look super awesome. Bring to front and let's see what we have. And now when we look at it, we can see more of the bats, which maybe is what you want. Right-click, copy, right-click, paste. Now you can get seamless backgrounds. It just so happens I have this one sitting up ready. I'm going to bring it to the front. Now how do I center it? You're going to like this. Picture format, align, align center, align, align middle. Let's see what it looks like. Close master view. Okay. Now it looks a little off, and the reason is that, let me move this out of the way. Right click, cut, right click, paste, and you'll see that it's exactly on the border. Now we're going to, so let's bring to front again. We're going to fix it. All right. And we're going to slide master close. Ooh, now look how cool that is. Yes, once again, it's not seamless. It looks pretty cool if you ask me. And you can find backgrounds on Creative Fabrica all over the place. Easter, Halloween, winter, Christmas, everything. Just think, you could use this template to create a journal or a diary entry for every season of the year. What else makes this really cool? Yeah, you can use it to sell. Yes, I give you the commercial rights to use this template. And even my sticker sheet. Hopefully, I've sparked some creative ideas to think of your own journal pages.